All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another cat vlog. It's been a long day. That's Cat Mom leaving the room. We're home. We're cooking dinner. We got some green beans and some pasta and some garlic bread and meatballs. And we're playing with the cats. Fury's playing with his favorite little fluffy toy. Let's see if we can get him to come this way. I'll get Toothless to come this way. He's like, I smell good foods.
You want your fish now?
Smell good foods.
Ah!
Cat Mom almost fell.
You haven't?
Oh, he got his fish.
You're standing by it.
Throw his fish.
Ready? Ready? Ah! Oh my god, that's suspicious.
He's like, that's not
It was dead a second ago.
sure what it's doing.
Ready? No. Oh.
Go get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, Toothless. What's up? You know, this fish. Let's see what is inside this fish. All right, buddy. I'm going to gut you. I can't do this with one hand. Can you help me?
Calm down.
What's inside?
The off switch.
Oh, I thought there was something else in there.
There is. That's the inside. And then,
What does this thing do?
that's the thing that makes the tail move. Then we got what's in here.
What's inside there? Uh-oh. I don't think they even realize. She blows it and blows the scent in their direction. Uh-oh. Fury. Let's see what he ends up doing here.
You want a fish? Just like, oh, what is this?
Can you smell it?
He's so dumb.
Once he figures that out. Oh! The fish guts are moving. Oh! Did you find the catnip, buddy?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. What is it with cats and catnip?
Drugs?
You said drugs?
Dang.
Oh
this
my
is-
gosh. Dude, settle down. Oh, he can't get in, can he?
No, it's Velcro.
Oh, it's Velcroed?
Yeah.
Oh no. I don't have any thumbs. Good luck. This is so funny. This is like one of those memes where,
Wait, did he get it open?
uh-oh.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Nah, he didn't get it open.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
What happened?
He's like, with the fish. Is it Fury's turn? Fury.
What's wrong with Toothless?
Don't let it get away from you, buddy.
Uh-oh. No, Fury's like, I'll just play with the fish. Try real hard to get in there. He'll just eat it whole.
Well, at least we know he won't be throwing it up.
God.
You're going crazy! Crazy for Catnip. Fury, you want to play? Here, come here. Here's it. Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, there you are. You ready?
What are you doing?
I'm going to throw it up on the couch. No cares. Can we try and let Fury have a chance? Huh? Oh, no, my hand's not Catnip. Oh, it's gone. Fury! Here, I'm gonna help you out. Come here, buddy. Ooh, this is all wet.
Ew.
This is slobbery.
This is weird.
I'm gonna try to get this thing to go. Hee. I took some of the stuff that was inside that bag, which was inside of that fish, and I put it on the floor. Let's see how long it takes for the cats to figure it out.
I think this is done.
Hey! Fury!
Should I spin this around a little bit?
Yeah, you can do whatever. The green beans are heated. They're good. Everything's good except the garlic bread. We might want to strain the pasta. Hey, come here. Look. Looky. Toothless. Fury. They have no clue.
About what?
No clue.
About what? Toothless. Come here. Look, it's right here.
Uh-oh. Now I know. All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I get all over my body.
Uh-oh.
What was that?
Oh, nice.
Did you just fart? Did you just fart, Toothless? No, I didn't fart, human. Fury, come here. He has no clue.
You said it's 7 we should take this out?
These are the remains. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Fury's like, can I play? I would really love to play.
Fury, you even know what's going on, dude?
He says, yeah, I know what's going on. Toothless is a snake. Hey, my sweet boy. Love you. Are you drunk? You high?
I'm a drunky drunk.
If Fury touches me, he's dead.
You better go drink your water, buddy. Do we turn this off?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Bye. What is he doing?
You lay down on it. He's like, I didn't do anything. I'm just being cute.
What'd you lay down on? What's underneath you?
Nothing. That's fluffy, yeah.
It's right there. Hey.
I made myself a bowl of pasta.
Here you go. Here you go. Oh, yay! Yeah, boo, 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 boo. Oh, yeah. So good. So good. It's Fury's turn. Loving the catnip. Meanwhile, Been there, done that. Waiting for wet food. So good, so good. It's been a long week. It's a good way to unwind, isn't it, cats?
It's only Thursday.
Hey, it's been a long week.
Do I have to drain the green beans or just like, what do you do?
Eat them.
You don't have to drain them?
No, not really. I mean, you can just take a little spoon with holes in it and just, it will drain it when you spoon it up.
Okay.
All right, cats, it's humans dinner time. Say bye to everyone. Bye. We'll see y'all tomorrow. We might. Depends on how much crazy fun we have tonight.
Oh, Fury. You're cute.
Bye.